Alright, just a couple miles from Tenbury. Not a bad carpet, will go very nicely. Just generally dirty, some traffic lines as you can see. That's apparently only a dry coffee, so that's absolutely not a problem. But here, that's gonna be a really nice challenge. Literally this carpet been not clean for like I think more than 10 years, and there's a slightly chance it's gonna come out very nicely. As you can see, there's a difference. That piece of the carpet was been used as a rack to go outside. Oh my god. This is obviously the favorite kind of carpet. Extremely dirty. I was aware of that, so I took additional chemicals for that. Entire carpet is sticky. We'll see what I can get from that. Right? See you in a bit. I think that's the worst I saw ever. Pure evil. Okay, and that's now after 3 hours of carpet cleaning. Those stains took me tremendous amount of time. All gone. I'm very happy with the results. Do you remember those stains before? Beautifully gone. Really great results.